Millionaire 69. Excuse that. Back with another daily in-depth technical analysis. Hit that subscribe button for daily updates on Dogelon Mars and the overall market. Today, we'll be going over Dogelon Mars and a new coin that just came out. One of my fellow, I'm trying to remember, my beautiful friend. His name is Greg. Shout out to Greg. You freaking legend, bro. He texted me and was like, bro, check out this new coin. It came out and there's a bunch of hype around it, so we're going to check it out. Do a little bit of technical analysis on it. It's called ApeCoin. We'll get into that after the Dogelon Mars analysis. And then stick to the end of the video for some very, very exciting news that you guys will find very, very valuable. Very valuable. Maybe. I don't know. If you want to keep in contact with me personally. All right, let's get it. Dogelon. Wait. No, I don't have to do that. I can just go. Boom. Let's get into it. Crypto. All right. Serious time. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're popping it up. Checking what we're at. I'm in Florida, and there is a massive storm about to hit. So if you hear some lightning and thunder in the background, that's why. We are in the extreme fear territories while Bitcoin is up. Okay? If that's not a good sign, I don't know what is. Bitcoin is currently up, and we are in the extreme fear territories. We did see a break below the 7 levels today, and then we saw a nice rebound. Those of you in the Patreon got a little update on what was going on. We saw a nice rebound as it broke through this 50% level. So, the 3-bar play that we were talking about, I believe it was last video. It is still in play. However, it is a little bit different now. There are multiple variations of a 3-bar play, and this one is not it's not the strongest variation. However, it is still a variation. So, what we want to see in order for this 3-bar play to be confirmed is a push higher. We want to see this candle end in the green today, all right? Which means we want to see it end above these 710 levels, because that is where the base of the candlestick is. That's where it starts, and this is where it ends. We want to end it above, in the green, above these 710s. Tomorrow, we need to see a push to these 728 levels to the upside. That will be a confirmation that this 3-bar play, it is a nice 3-bar play. And it is a nice time to average in. That is what I'm waiting on. I averaged in around these 6.5 levels whenever it dropped back down to here. And I issued a buy alert in the Patreon. So all of you beautiful people who decided to do so as well, to get in as well, not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire, will be up in money right now. Up in profit. So I'm going to show you guys something that is extremely, extremely important. This right here. All right. As you can see, this is how I'm getting the trend line. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Boom. It has hit one time. It hit once. Hit twice. 3 times. Oh, not quite 4. Here it was 4 and 5. And on the 6th time, what did it do? It broke out, okay? It broke out of this downward trend line, which is very, very good. And what is even better, looking at this now that I did not see earlier, wow, look at this, guys. I'll show you. It has come down and hit the support level and showed immediate buying pressure, which is very bullish, very bullish. Boom. Where did it come down to? It came down to the top of these candles here, which is clearly a double. Okay, these are called tweezer tops, okay? Candlestick patterns, tweezer tops, 2 wicks, yes. So it came down, it broke through it a little bit, and then rebounded very fast within 1 day, and we are currently in the green. We were down around 2, 3, 4% today, something of the sorts, and now we are up 0.24%. That's a very, very bullish sign. So overall, we are looking as though we could be coming to a bottom at this moment in time. Now, in order to confirm that, we want to break through these 738 levels. preferably tomorrow with a big green candle with volume. Okay, we want to see a big green candle come up, push, boom, boom, boom. We want to see it at least hit these 765s. If it can break through those with no hesitation, it's a very good sign. Now, it might hesitate, come back down to these 738s before moving higher. That's the second option we have. But one of those two, if that happens, it's a very bullish sign that we are at a bottom. This is a bottom. 1, 2, 3 times, okay? I've been telling you guys for the past couple weeks, as we near this triple bottom, right around this level, to consider averaging in. I have done so as well. I averaged in the first time around here, around these 6.4 levels. Bada bing, bada boom. Averaged in the second time around this level, 6.5 levels, because I wanted to see it come down to these triple bottoms. And it staggered down with volume tapering down. And now that we see some bullish pressure, we want to see this volume start to pick up a tad bit more. We want to see it a little bit higher than all of this previous retail volume here, okay? Boom, boom, boom. These are retail traders getting out because it's too low. And who's keeping it up? Big money. Big money is slowly accumulating bags day after day. And they're seeming to not allowed to go below this triple bottom level. Now, that will be confirmed if we do see a big movement up above these 8s. We want to see it push through these 8s, and we want to see it push through these 9s, okay? If we can see it push through these 9s, it's a very, very strong indication. And if you guys chose to follow that buy alert, you will be in much profits right now. However, this is not financial advice, simple opinion from a crypto billionaire. I am not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk. I just do I'm just telling you guys how I'm trading. This is what I'm doing. So, you know, I started the channel for myself, really, in the beginning, and it's quite crazy. Let's get into the ApeCoin. Okay, so before I get into all that, this is what we need to look out for today. We want to see a push higher than the 7. Let's move in. Today, no, we don't want to see a push higher. We want to see it close in a green candle above these 713s. If we see it close above these 713s, that's a very bullish sign. Why do I say 713s? Because that is higher than this previous red candle bottom, okay? I want to see it push higher than that, close higher. Tomorrow, we want to see it push higher than the 728s. That will be confirmation to add more, to average in. I will be adding the rest of my portfolio because I added in 50% down here, 50% in my remaining portfolio, which is around 1/4 remaining. That probably got a little confusing, but however, it's a good buying opportunity if we see a push through this 728 level. However, right now, it will still be a risky move because we could drop. And if we drop, that's completely fine. We'll just get a better price even lower. Because in the long term, this is going to Mars, baby. Anyways, what I was saying is I started this channel for myself just to track my own trades, right? There it is, ApeCoin. And over time, I really saw that this is up 90% today. Wow. I really saw that people found a lot of value in these videos. So I'm no longer doing it I'm doing it for me, but I'm more doing it for you guys because you guys really, it's crazy. You guys really find value in this stuff. And I just thought it was common sense, to be completely honest. Because it's very simple once you get the hang of it. And you don't really even need to, you can look at any chart and know it. So if this provides value, I am extremely happy to be here because I love doing this stuff on my free time and I wouldn't change it for the world. So let's get into ApeCoin, baby, ApeCoin. This is the daily charts. It has been on the market for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hours. 14 hours at this moment. Volume is tapering down. However, we are moving higher, which means the sellers have started tapering down as well. So let's just draw this fib level, see what we're doing, because this is probably what most people are looking at right now. Maybe I'm on the wrong time frame. Let's drop. If people are day trading it, the 15-minute time frames will be ideal. Wow, look at this huge candle. Within 15 minutes, it went from $16 to $18, $2. Wow, that's a nice little increase there. Currently, based on this, now I don't know much about this coin. Okay, all of this, don't look at this. Don't let it sway your opinions on the coin. These are just people that don't know what they're doing, okay? These are just average retail traders. The big money doesn't comment. And if they do, they're using bots to sway other people's opinions. So just really disregard whatever people say in the comment section. Comment section is not good financial opinions. What is ApeCoin? It's a governance utility token with the Ape ecosystem, and it incentivizes founders. Okay, cool. They've got some founders, Yuga Labs, from the Bored Ape Yacht Club project, which is a huge NFT project. How many ApeCoins are there in circulation? On launch day, March 17th, 30.25 will be in circulation. It will continually increase following launch day at regular intervals. Okay. So that means the supply will increase and the price will most likely drop. However, the market cap will continue to rise if people invest into it. If the circulating supply continues to rise as well. So, I mean, this is looking pretty nice, to be completely honest. If you got in around these levels, if I would have saw it earlier, this would be a really nice level to get in if you're trying to day trade it. Now, long term, I don't know much about it. But day trading wise, it looks pretty nice. And look at this 3-bar play that's coming. Wow, that's really nice. You'll see these every now and then. And when you do, like, it's very hard to miss them. It's actually quite ironic that we see one right here, right now, because we were just talking about it. However, you see this? Boom, boom. That's where we want to expect the price to go to today. Or, next 15 minutes, right? We want to see it push to this level. Okay, I'm going to break that. We want to see it push up to that 14 and test the 15 levels, pretty much. And that will be an indication that, boom, came back down to where, my friends? 50% or so. And then big green candle. This is what we're trying to look at on Dogelon Mars. And it's about to literally do what we're watching it to do right now. This is the power of day trading. If you were to get in around this 50% mark, you can day trade it and make a nice little profit. However, with crypto, you have to have a large portfolio, unless you're using leverage, which can get risky, which is okay. You know, it's okay. But there are better ways to day trade than crypto. However, if you want to day trade in crypto, then this is a beautiful technique to use. We are 12 minutes, 40 seconds in. If you are still watching the video, I got a surprise for you right now. So, as you guys know, as a few of you know, about 7 of you that shot me a text, right? Look at it. Look at this going up. Now, I'm going to drop and show you guys what you want to look for as it approaches resistance. So, it is approaching resistance as a 5-minute candles. If you drop lower, it's just going to get really confusing. These 5-minute candles, look, okay, you're seeing selling pressure. Now you want it to hold above this 1486 level, okay? Boom, it doesn't hold. That's when you average out. You average out, okay? Average out like 25%, 50%. Now you want to see it start holding right here, okay? You want to see it hold on this horizontal line where this wick had touched, okay? If it comes back down, boom, 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 that's what you want to see. Now, you can drop lower than 5 minutes. However, it really does get confusing. Just because there's so much going on. These are the 1-minute candles, and you really can't trade off of them because you can't see strong support and resistances on the 1-minute candles. But you can on the 5-minute candles. So as you can see, it's holding on the 3 minutes above these 14.7 levels, which is a great sign. If it drops below that, that is a sign to average out. If you got in around that 50% mark on the retracement of the 3-bar play. So that's just day trading stuff, beautiful stuff. But sorry, I got sidetracked. About 7 of you watched the 20-minute video, and about 18 minutes in, I gave out my personal number. So, those of you who are watching this video, 14 minutes in, I'm going to sneak my number to you guys, okay? Don't spam me. If you're creepy and you want toe pics, do not come over my way. I just want to help you. I want to call you, get to know who you are on about a 20-minute call. So shoot me a text with your name. Say you came from the YouTube video. I'm only going to say my number once so the bots can't get it. All right? You ready? Ready? 850-376-0889. And there's a +1 in the beginning. Okay, that's all you get. I'm super curious as to what this day trade is going on. Day trading is so much fun, guys. See this? It's coming down. Okay, we want to see it hold. It come down, touch. You want to see it touch, and then immediately, boom, spike up. You want to see these buyers come in like there are already buy orders placed by the algorithms to push it higher than this point. If that doesn't happen, then it's okay. You average out 25% more, because you average out 25% right here. If it breaks through this, you average out 25% again. Now, it all depends on how much risk you're trying to mitigate. For me personally, if I got in around that 50% retracement mark and I'm seeing this around a major resistance line, and I'm up, let's say I'm up 500 for the day, okay? 500 for the day. I'm just going to take my profits and move on. I'm not greedy, and that's okay. However, that is a simple trade. Okay, there you go. It didn't quite touch it. However, we saw that buying pressure that we were looking for, okay? Look at this. Now, we want to see it come up here within the next 30 seconds. We want to see it push up the 14.8 levels and hold above it, okay? We got about 25 seconds. All right, we want to see these buyers step in right around 17 seconds. Now, we don't have to wait the whole time, but that's ideal. We really want to see it push up fast and hold above this, because that is a huge indication that there are buyers stepping in where around this 50% on the green candle. Okay, it's a great thing. Day trading with Crypto Billionaire 69. Hit that subscribe button. Anyways, I could do this all day. I could stare at these charts all day, but time is of the essence. I am about to get off of the video for my beautiful people. Hope you guys had a beautiful day at work. If you were working a day, if you were off, I hope you had a beautiful, resting, relaxing day off, hanging out with the family, and having a good time, my friends. We're only here to make money and have a good time, so yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all I said I was going to do. Yeah, Dogelon Mars, ApeCoin. I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69, up 100% today. Out.